been a while, but I'm back. I'm gonna vlog my next 2 days in London. Been a lot of debating whether I should vlog or not because I like to be present in the moment, but hey, why not? We're gonna try for it. So I woke up early this morning. There's a cappuccino machine. I made myself a cappuccino. I did my journaling, my reading. I gotta meditate. I'll do that on the train. I got ready, got my hair, straightened my hair because thankfully they have a straightener. I think I blew mine or broke mine. It didn't work with the converter. So yeah, it's so nice to have nice hair. So now I'm gonna try to figure out the subway system. I'm gonna start today in Big Ben. I'm gonna just do a bunch of like random touristy things. And then at 2:30 I have a play. I'm gonna go see the Book of Mormon. But let's start with figuring this out. Come with me, let's go. I got my Oyster card yesterday so I can prepare myself. I'm gonna take the Jubilee line, which is right there. Yeah, alright. Doing it, guys. I am going to be a full throttle tourist today, and as always, I have no idea where I'm going, but I'm just gonna wing it. My first goal is to see Mr. Big Ben and go from there. This is right outside of the train station. What is that? What's that? What's that? What's this? Who's that? So I'm currently on a bridge, and the I forget what it's called right now. I'm blanking. The Ferris wheel of greatness. No, that's not what it's called. The Eye, the London Eye, is right there, and Big Ben is currently under construction of getting a facelift because he is right there, but he has a bunch of stuff going. It's getting a lot of work done. It's not going to be open until 2021. So I'm just gonna walk around. I wanna do like one of those, I think. There it is. Not the guy, the bus. Okay, bye. So what I think I'm gonna do is go to the London Eye. It opens at 10. Might as well get it over with. It's beautiful out, it's not rainy, it's sunny. So in case the weather changes, which it's not supposed to, I might as well just do it now. But I don't know how I do these things. I don't want to. I'm already so nervous. Oh my gosh, I hate Ferris wheels. And it goes so slow, but I feel like it's something I have to do. Alright, let's start praying now. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm officially in line for the London Eye. I'm a nervous wreck. I got my ticket for here and then the hop on, hop off bus tour because that's good for 24 hours. And it starts once I activate it, so I think that'd be good. And then there was like a cute little 4D London Eye experience that I did. Then I went to the restroom. I'm so nervous I didn't know if I have to pee or be with the rest, you know, I don't know. So now I'm waiting. I don't even know how I feel right now. Besides, like, I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh my gosh. Alright, we'll see. It takes a half hour, by the way, to go fully around. So there's that. He's like, oh, it's not bad, it goes slow. I'm like, yeah, I know, that's the problem. It goes really, really, really slow. So we're getting closer and closer and closer. Also, just an FYI, Band-Aids are called plasters here. When I was in the airplane, to the stewardess, I'm like, can I have a Band-Aid? And she just looked at me like I was crazy. And I was like, a Band-Aid? Like I was pointing at my skin. And then the lady next to me, she was young and she goes, plaster. And I was like, plaster? So, yeah, it's fun fact. Okay, this is just nervous talk. Nervous chatter. Oh my god, it's going. It's right there. All right. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Just stay, please. So far, so good. Kind of freaking out now, I'm not gonna lie, just a little bit. So it's really not that bad. I feel fine. Even though we're on the way down, it's all good. It's so beautiful. It really is. So I'm not gonna lie, that was great. It really wasn't bad. It was just small. That was the only like negative thing. I felt like I was bumping into everyone. Probably from nerves. I'll blame it on the nerves. But it was really cool. Yeah, it's like high and everything, but it doesn't feel like I still get more scared in buildings. So it was really pleasant, beautiful day. The sky was so blue. Yeah, I'm so happy I did it. Got to see a lot of London, and I was looking at my map to see where everything was. So I just got a little mozzarella and tomato sandwich, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat again. I have the bus tour ticket, so I'm gonna start off on the river. I asked the guy in charge of the bus like what he recommends me doing, so I have 3 hours. So I'm gonna take the river up and then go down on the bus. We'll just see how that goes. Let's do it. So I apparently just missed this river boat. The next one's not till 11:30. That's 28 minutes. I don't really want to waste 28 minutes sitting here, so I guess I will do a different plan of action. So I ended up doing the boat because I went to venture off by myself and I got lost. So here we go.
Tower. It's now called the Elizabeth Tower. It was renamed for her diamond jubilee. Okay, but everybody calls it Big Ben, don't they? Tell you what, is there anyone called Ben? Empty beer cans. I needn't have even bothered leaving the estate where I live. Okay, we have all of that around there, and we don't call it off. We phone up at
Okay, so the cruise was really good. I'm happy I did it. I forgot about the Tower Bridge. I totally would not have seen it if it wasn't for the river cruise. And it is right there. There's a cool little castle behind me. There is the Tower Bridge. The sun is still shining. I made it on the bus, and now we are about to go over Tower Bridge. Made it to the palace, made it to the palace. I almost got hit by a car just now. Thank you, Jesus. I did not. That would have really been a bummer, but I made it. Yay. Buckingham Palace. London, England. Can't believe I'm here. It's truly a dream come true. I came, I saw, I conquered. Well, I didn't really conquer anything, except for just being here, my presence being here. So now I, let's just say bye to the palace. Bye bye queen, bye bye palace. Bye bye pretty statue with gold on top. Bye bye. Okay, see, I'm such a procrastinator. I gotta go. I'm already gonna be late. So now I'm rushing to, oh look at it's a fountain. Guys, I didn't even know that. Okay, so now I'm going to rush so I can make the play. Okay. Somehow, I don't know how, but I went to the wrong theater. I put the wrong theater in my phone, and now it's a 12-minute walk. I would have been there just on time. Now I'm going to be like 20 minutes late. So I just left the show. It was really good, but it wasn't for me. When we were doing research into the shows, I don't know, I just always seen Book of Mormon around in the city, and I saw a few plays. You know, I feel like there wasn't that much to choose from, so I thought it'd be a good idea, and it was not. It mocked God and religion and Jesus, and that's not really what I'm about. But don't get me wrong, the performances are great, the music, you know, sounded lovely, the dancing was great and entertaining, but I couldn't get with the storyline, and I fell asleep in the second part. Now I'm really tired, so I'm gonna try to get some caffeine or ice cream or something, because it's only like 5 o'clock. It's been a long day, but I still, you know, I want to keep going, so I need some energy. It looks like there's a little Christmas thing going on in front of me, so I'm gonna film that. I'm not gonna film too much though, because I'm getting really beat, so okay. Kind of like the Times Square. There's a lot of people everywhere. Not a fan. I mean, I am, but I'm not. You know what I mean? Okay.
Square. There's a big Burger King.
So I was looking for the bus before. Guess what? The bus stops running at like 5 o'clock. It is now almost 7. I like downloaded the app. I'm like, why can't I find this bus? That's why. So I'm gonna go do something better, more meaningful, much needed.